case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1933, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Cook v. United States. The case began in November 1930 when the British boat, Mazel Tov, was discovered by U.S. Coast Guard officers within 4 leagues of the Massachusetts coast. The boat was found to be carrying unmanifested intoxicating liquor, which led to the seizure of the boat and a penalty for its master, Frank Cook. Cook claimed jurisdictional immunity, arguing that the vessel was boarded too far from the U.S. coast and had no intention of entering U.S. territorial limits. He cited 2 treaties between the U.S. and Great Britain that permitted U.S. authorities to board British vessels outside territorial waters to inspect ships' papers and question those on board regarding violations of laws related to alcoholic beverages importation. The central legal issue focused on whether the treaty modified Section 581 of the Tariff Act of 1930, which allows Coast Guard officers to search vessels suspected of smuggling within 12 miles of the U.S. coast, and whether the seizure of the Mazel Tov was lawful. The Supreme Court ultimately reversed the Circuit Court of Appeals decree, ruling that the libels were rightfully dismissed. The court found that the treaty governed searches and seizures in enforcing laws prohibiting alcoholic liquors, and the territorial limitation imposed by the treaty meant that the U.S. government lacked the power to seize the vessel.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.